Hello everyone, my name is Prakhar and I'm from Kuberns tech team. Many existing CRMs are either too complex, overly generic, or locked behind steep pricing models that are hinder accessibility and flexibility. Instead of easing the business, they become a headache. Kuberns offering of Frappe CRM is designed to bridge this gap, a tool that empowers businesses to manage their customers' relationships seamlessly. While being easy to adapt to specific workflows, it prioritizes usability, extensibility, and affordability, making it an ideal choice for growing teams and organizations who are looking for a CRM that aligns with their unique processes. Now let's get started by logging into the system and see the CRM in action. So for that, go to your custom domain that has been provided by the Kuberns team to you. In my case, it is crm.kuberns.com, and here you need to put the credentials. Let's log into the system, and here we need to choose our application, which will be the CRM. Now let's look into leads. In CRM, a lead represents a potential customer who has shown some level of interest in your products or services. These leads can be generated through various channels, including website inquiries, referral from existing customers, networking, and conferences, or paid marketing events like social media ads or search engine ads. The lead page serves as the central hub for capturing and managing all your potential customer information. This is where you will gather the initial details about an interested party. So for creating a lead, we can just go to plus create button, and here we need to fill in the details. For example, and click on create. You can assign the lead owner and the status of the lead when it's getting created. And as you can see, a new lead is created. Once you'll go to the lead list, you can see that a new lead, Mr. Prakhar Jain, with some organization and the status is created. Instead of manually creating the leads, leads can be also uploaded with the help of CSV. So for that, you just need to go to apps, disk, and here go to tools and click on import data. Click on add import data and select the document type to be CRM lead. Import type will be inserting new records, and click on save. You can download the template which will decide the fields that is needed in your CSV file. You can create your own template with selecting the fields and click on export. This will download the template file for you in which you can insert your data, and here you can import file after inserting the data directly from your computer, or you can provide the link of your Google Sheets, which is a great feature, and just click on save. Now as you can see in the preview that the leads are generated, and you can click on start import, and it is a success. Now if you'll go to data import, you can see the status success and the leads are imported. Now for checking that, go to CRM, open the CRM portal page, and here you can see the leads that were listed in this CSV file are now into the lead list. We can also create a custom lead status and the deal status. So for that, you just need to go to lead statuses and click on add CRM lead status. Here you need to give the status a name. For example, contacted. It already exists, so we'll give a name demo schedule, and you can provide the color and the position and click on save. Now if you'll go to lead status, you will see a new CRM lead status is created with the name demo schedule, and you can add this lead status to your lead. So for that, you just need to go to any of the lead, just go to status, and you can see demo schedule, and now the status is changed to demo schedule. For example, your company is running meta ads and it is generating leads for you, so you want to add meta ads into your lead sources. For doing that, it is really easy. You just need to go into lead sources, click on add CRM lead source, click on edit full form, and here you can add the source name as meta ads, and you can provide the description as well. Leads generated from meta ads, and click on save. And now if we'll go to CRM lead sources, you can see a new CRM lead source meta ads is created. Now whenever a lead will come from the source meta ads, it can be added. Now let's go into one of the leads and explore the whole lead panel. So for example, this is the lead of Mr. Prakharjan, and here you can see first of all the activity. The first activity is that administrator created this lead, and you can also add a new activity from here. You can send email directly from here by creating plus new email. This can be a custom email like welcome to the company, or you can use a email template. You can also attach anything from your local computer as well as emojis. You can also add comments. For anyone who is working on this lead can add personalized comments that will be easier for somebody who is working on this. You can add the data or modify the data ongoing with this lead. For example, if you want to add the job title like director, you can also see the call logs and assign task. For example, schedule a call. Schedule a call with this client and assign it to some user and select the date. And you can also check the priority and create the new task. You can also add notes here as well as attachments that are important for this lead. For example, some PDF files, and this can just be saved. Leads can be converted into deals with the help of just a single button, convert to deal. Or you can add automatic conversion to deal with the help of status. So we'll just click on convert to deal and click on convert. And if we'll go into deals, now this organization something has become a deal, and in the contacts, the contact of the deal has been added, and in the organization of the deal has been added. So no manual works from now, everything automated in just a single click. You can view your leads, deals, contacts, organization, notes, task, call logs, and email templates in different views. For example, let's go into leads and click on Kanban. So now you are into a Kanban view. Here you can drag and drop your leads and change the status of them. You can also create your custom views. For example, click on create view and give a name. And here you can click and add a filter. And you can click on save changes. And now whenever you will open this view, you will always see the leads with having nurture status. And this can be done with everything in your CRM. You can also create custom email templates for sending emails to your deals and leads. For that, you just need to go to email templates, click on create, and write the name of the email template. We want it for the CRM lead. Provide the subject and provide the content. Dear, the name of the lead, welcome to the company, and click on create. Make sure this is enabled. Now go to your leads, click on any of the lead and click on plus new email. And now as you can see, there's email template welcome available. You can select this and click on send, and a new email will be sent to the client with the help of the email template. CRM also comes with the integration of calling. You can select your favorite tool like Twilio, Exotel, or you can add the calls manually. You can also integrate WhatsApp into this and send messages directly to the leads and deals using WhatsApp. That's all from today's video, and in this video we have completely explored the CRM. CRM is a great offering from Kuberns, and it will ease your business to a very great extent. So no more headaches of difficult and complex CRM. Just switch to Kuberns CRM and everything will be managed with ease.